By the time you're watching this, email marketing has changed forever. Starting February 1st, Google and Yahoo are demanding that all email marketers do something different. You need to send from your own domain. So an email address is on your own domain. This means you cannot send from a Gmail account, you cannot send from a Yahoo account, from any free email account. They're going to be sending that straight to spam. So the message is very clear that if you're using Gmail, that's for sending to friends and family. But if you are doing any kind of marketing and sending to more than one person at once, or if you're doing any kind of even emailing with third-party platforms, so something like an autoresponder, like Aweber, ConvertKit, Webinar Jam, any kind of platform, you need to have your own email address on your own domain, and you need to have three things configured very specifically for it. Now, this is actually good news because what it means is that you're going to be able to get to the inbox better if you do this right. Okay. And that's what this course will show you exactly how to do. So the three things that you need to set up are the DKIM, which is your domain authentication key, the SPF, and you need to have a policy for DMARC. And if you have those three things set up, then you should be good. But every marketer has to go through this. If you don't know what you're doing or what the right step is, this course is going to show you how to do that. And we've already seen some bad advice online about how to do this. Don't fiddle around with your domain deliverability because your domain will get blacklisted if this is not done correctly. So grab this course and make sure that you're going to be inboxing all those people that you have with your marketing messages.